Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a yo-yo. First, take your new yo-yo string and locate the small loop at one end. Thread the other end of the string through this loop, creating a slip knot. Now, carefully place this slip knot over the axle of your yo-yo. Gently pull the string taut so the knot is secure but not so tight that it binds the yo-yo. This ensures smooth spinning. Next, let's adjust the string length for optimal play. Hold the yo-yo so it touches your belly button, with the string fully extended. Now, cut the string approximately 4 inches above your belly button. This length is ideal for most players. Finally, tie a simple overhand knot at the cut end to form a comfortable finger loop. Make sure it fits snugly on your middle finger. Now, let's properly wind the string onto your yo-yo. First, place the newly created finger loop onto your middle finger. Hold the yo-yo in your dominant hand. Carefully wrap the string around the yo-yo's axle, making 5 to 7 neat wraps. Ensure the string is taut and evenly distributed, without any excessive overlapping. This winding technique is crucial for a smooth and responsive throw. Before you start playing, perform a few final checks. Look for any twists or tangles in the string that could hinder performance. Double-check that the string is still securely attached to the yo-yo axle. Then, try a gentle throw to ensure everything feels right. Remember, yo-yo strings wear out, so replace them every few weeks or when they show signs of fraying for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.